The sharking knife.
The knife.
A knife.
A knife.
With a knife.
Love sharking.
So much satisfying when we cut through something.
Probably eggs.
Eggs. Eggs.
Pap and vosh.
Pap.
Kanyamzongwana.
Jenny Morris. Sibasla. Siba's table.
Siba. Jackie Cameron.
Chef Benny.
Robin Dreffer.
Buddy Valestro.
Jamie Oliver.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Onions. You can't start a dish without onions.
Oh, I just love food. It's a lot.
Salt.
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 Paella.
Seafood paella. Stew with veggies, yeah. A hearty meal, so yeah.
Bread.
I make a lot.
Overspicing food.
Cutting my hands.
Burnt pies.
A burnt mini meal.
A tray, a metal tray on top of somewhere I should have not put it. It almost caught fire and yeah.
Yes, Hawaiian pizza. I mean, it's one of my favorites. So. No. No.
You don't enjoy it?
No.
Okay.
Wilkins and peanut butter.
Together?
Together.
Oysters.
Prawns? No.
Seafood.
Prawns. I struggle.
It will have to be a snail. Ugh.